Last night, as I was on Facebook Marketplace looking for some yard sales, I found this Pirates of the Caribbean TV and DVD set. We had agreed on $30 for this little set, but it looks like the guy had overslept, or I don't know what's going on, honestly. So we're just going to stick the money in an envelope, pack it up, and
your boy drove 45 minutes here this morning, so.
And he didn't even give us like an exact address, so we had to spend 15 minutes just looking for this place. So
the whole box is $5. It's $5.
I'll take it.
Well, there you go.
My goodness.
My husband was a big collector of the Bruce Lee Star Wars and Star Trek.
Yeah, I saw Bruce Lee. I was like, I'll take this.
Yeah. And he passed away a couple years ago, and we only have a VHS player.
Oh, you don't have one?
I don't have a VHS player.
This is sweet.
So it's like, and there's some gift sets in there that I know that probably have never even been opened.
Well, $5 for this entire box. And there's some sweet Bruce Lee VHS in here. Bruce Lee Uncut. Ooh, Bruce Lee Collector 2 Series Pack, Fist of Fury, and Chinese Connection. You can see this is on the very bottom. This is a 5-pack, The Legend of Bruce Lee, factory sealed.
That's pretty neat. What do you say? Give me to? Oh.
How you doing? You don't have any video games, did you? No video
No.
games? Oh, that's actually pretty sick.
Mm-hmm.
I would definitely get that.
Oh, Corbin.
Oh my god.
This is the best part about Christmas right here. All the little villages. Oh, look behind you too, dude. Look at all the little trees. I love Christmas.
It's all snowy.
I know, right? It's almost like
It's Christmas!
It's so cute.
That looks sick in the game and all that.
Mm-hmm.
We have more outlets than
Opened up. Can't remember how he opened it.
put on the older shit. These slide off or something?
Oh, goodness, pretty neat.
All the innards are brand new. He's never had water in it. He was doing it and it just stopped because he ran out of time. And it's pretty cool. Cool little movies. One of those chairs in the corner of your makeup room?
I think both of those chairs with the cute little table in the middle. That would be cute.
It's fun when you get SUVs, we can pick up stuff like that.
Mm-hmm. Question: did you guys have any video games by chance? Any like old Nintendo, GameCube, Wii?
No.
No.
I know that.
I'm doing a good thing.
Get rid of
I don't think so.
Well, if you have a phone number, I will gladly take it.
We don't have GameCube. What happened to our GameCube that we had? What's a GameCube?
Wait, hold on.
What's a GameCube? What do I don't even know what we have downstairs.
Okay.
We don't have a GameCube downstairs. Yeah, I think that all of our Wii games are at my grandma's that we play with still, so.
Perfect. She had fun. She went to the.
Do you have any video games? Like any GameCube, Wii? Okay.
Yeah.
Did she say GameCube? Or did you say GameCube?
I said GameCube.
Oh.
And he said yeah. Let me
Both
check.
of my brothers are big video gamers, so
That's what we're into.
he's gonna go check to see if he probably has anything.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even know where it's at.
What? Yeah, why? Yeah. Somebody?
We have GameCube stuff.
Yeah, it's somewhere down there. Yeah, I mean, if you can find it, we'll probably buy all the GameCube stuff for sure.
Mm-hmm.
I think we have like legit all these games.
We do.
No, we have that. We have that. We have like 5 copies of that. We have that. 1, 2, $5. Does $10 sound fair?
Sounds fair to me.
Okay. You all have video games here?
What games I have are right there.
Oh, there's a. Oh, I thought that was Vita for a second. It looks small enough. Could be inverted. That's exactly what it is. Inverted.
All the papers are in Spanish.
Are these controllers down here for the systems?
They're for, the stuff down here is for all the systems that we have. We don't have any extras right now.
I was told to ask for Rhonda. Is that you? They said you had a binder of video games or something.
Binder of, I've got movies. I don't know about videos.
She said there's video games mixed in with the movies. Thank you.
That's one.
How many you got?
3.
Sweet.
Yeah. Oh, Ben 10. I remember that from when my kids were.
Yeah, that's a good one.
What, Ben 10? Yeah. And this is the last of the game.
Okay. Are you sure?
And that is it. That's definitely it. These were up under some movies. Oh, well, maybe. Maybe that's why they're in the drawer. There's no there's no games.
Jesus, I cannot open this with one hand.
Okay, we are back home finally. We've let this TV and this DVD player sit out on the front porch to dry because, as y'all saw, it was soaking wet this morning. Let's plug it in, see if it works. Plug that in. It also comes with a really cool remote, Pirates of the Caribbean themed. We actually did change the batteries just because the batteries were kind of junky. Okay, we're getting some red light. District, sorry. Boom, baby! So, TV does turn on. The remote does work, seems to be responsive. Now let's see if we can get this DVD player to work, or just see if it does work.
Does it have any indicator as like if it's on or not? Oh, Corbin, look at the eye. Is it just one eye? Oh, Misty, get out of here. Is it just one eye? I don't see him on anymore. Interesting. Oh, no, it's both. It's both
I
eyes.
can't see because of that thing.
Yeah, you gotta get down.
Okay, so we go over here. There's a little slide that opens that up. Let's put this game in here, like so.
Is that a game?
Well, do you want me to press this again?
I have no idea.
Let me do that. Let me turn it off and then turn it back on so it spins.
This freaking cat.
Okay, I hear some noise. What do I press here? Display?
No, input.
Misty, will you get your butt off the TV, baby? I know, you're so cute. Okay, yeah, deep throat my finger on camera. That makes you look like a real sweetheart. Alright, get out of it, babe.
You're gonna have to get her down, man. She will not. She really likes whatever is on that TV.
Alright, so that should be AV.
Try component. Alright.
Let's turn this off.
So maybe.
So we've learned when you press this button down right here in the front, That's actually how you pull this TV up and out of the base. So the TV's actually kind of heavy. Guys, look at that sick back hit right there, like it's a vintage T-shirt. But so yeah.
Misty, don't chew on the cord.
Get. It seems to be in the right. Well, that needs to be in video.
It is. Yeah, see? It's confusing.
This is AV in video.
Yeah, I know, but look. Did you see this? How there's like little. So this would be over here. There's multiple options as to how to put this.
We should probably
stupid stuff in.
get a Q-tip and try to dry the inside of it. That is sick though. Here, turn the light off so see if they can see those eyes better.
Yeah, it's about the same.
Yeah. Okay, input. Let's do AV. It's just not spinning though. Like you would hear it spinning. Okay, well something is a little funky with this thing, so we'll maybe let it dry some more. I mean, it's pretty dry, I'm not gonna lie.
Well, no, it was only out there for like 2 hours maybe. So honestly, we might have fried this thing because we didn't allow it that much time. I don't know. I may have to take this thing apart and look at it. Because whenever we were taking this to the car, it was like soaking wet and it was just very, very bad. I don't know. Let me take a look inside and see what's going on with it.
We're definitely keeping this, and we have a few ideas with this. Either put this, kind of mount this in front of the toilet in the game room bathroom. And if y'all didn't know, we have a pretty large and impressive and fantastic game room. We also have a bathroom that's built into the game room, so we're also like doing a video game theme with that. And I think this would look sick to mount in front of the toilet. So when we have guests over, they can go in and they can either watch a movie if they gotta take a long shit, or they can play some video games while they're shitting. So, it's pretty cool. I was kind of nervous about this TV because we have bought several CRTs at yard sales when they're soaking wet, you know, stay out overnight, dew all over them, and they've all worked perfectly fine. But when you get into this kind of newer era of TV, the flat screen, they tend to be a little bit more sensitive and fragile, so I was definitely sweating a little bit. Just on whether or not this would actually work. But guys, this is sick. I mean, we're super stoked with this. Again, 30 bucks, I mean, I'd pay 30 bucks all day for this.
Okay, yeah.